ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ PUC ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ಪರೀಕ್ಷಾ ದೃಷ್ಟಿಯಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೂ ತುಂಬ ಉಪಯೋಗಕರವಾಗಿವೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಹಾಕುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ತಮಗೆ ತಲುಪಲು GST ಟ್ಯುಟೋರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹಾಗೂ ತಪ್ಪದೇ ಬೆಲ್ ಗಂಟೆಯನ್ನು ಒತ್ತಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Okay students, now let's move to the next part. Section C. Please note that these are 4 mark each questions. Alright, question 1. State importance of management with any 4 points. Answer. Management helps in achieving group goals. Management increases efficiency. Management creates dynamic organizations. Management helps in achieving personal objectives. Management helps in development of society. Question 2. Is management science? Prove it. Answer. Science is a systematized body of knowledge that explains certain general truth or operation of general laws. The basic features of science are as follows. Point 1. It is a systematized body of knowledge. Point 2. Principle based on experimentation. Point 3. Universal validity. Point 4. Management has systematized body of knowledge. It has its own theory and principles that have been developed over a period of time. Chapter 5. As management deals with human beings and behaviors, the outcomes of these experiments are not capable of being accurately predicted. Therefore, management can be called as inexact science. 6 point. Principles of management are not as exact as principles of science, their application and use is not universal. They have to be modified according to given situation. Therefore, user can conclude management is science. Question 3. Explain the objectives of management. The main objectives of management are as follows. Point 1. Organizational objectives. The main objectives of any organization is to utilize human and material resources to maximize possible advantage. They are survival, profit, growth. Second point, social objectives. As a part of society, every organization has to fulfill certain obligations towards society, like protecting the environment, giving employment opportunities, third point, personal objectives. Personal objectives are concerned with employed of organization. The management has to satisfy the diverse needs of employees. Management is an art. Elucidate. Management is an art. It personalizes the application of general theoretical particle knowledge. A manager should have the knowledge of particle applications of various theoretical principles in functioning. B. Personalized application. Like an artist, every manager has its own way of managing the things depending upon his knowledge and experience. C. Based on practice and creativity, like any art management involves the creative practice of existing theoretical knowledge. D. Goal oriented. Like any other, art management is also directed towards completion of the predetermined goals. Toward, therefore, we can conclude management is an art. Question 5. Give any 4 grounds to say management is important. Answer. 4 important of management are: management helps in achieving group goals. Management is required not for itself but for achieving the goals of the organization. Second point. Management increases efficiency. The aim of a manager is to reduce cost and increase productivity through better planning, organizing, directly staffing, and controlling the activities of the organization. Management helps in achieving personal objectives. A manager motivates and leads his team in such a manner that individual members are able to achieve personal goals while contributing to the overall organizational objectives. 4. Management creates a dynamic organization. Management is a dynamic function and has to adapt itself to the changing environment. Section D. These are 8 marks questions. Okay. Question 1. Management is a series of continuous interrelated functions. Comment on this, please. Okay. Management is described as the process of planning, organizing, directly and controlling the efforts of organizational members and of using